Neohealar Ointment and Suppository. Neohealar available in two dosage form, mainly one is Neohealar suppository and the second one is Neohealar Ointment. Now Neohealar contains Lupinus Albus, Vateria Indica, Mentha Piperita, Aloe Vera. Now use or indication of Neohealar suppository or ointment. Both Neohealar ointment and suppository are used for the same purpose. For hemorrhoids. Now, what's hemorrhoids? Hemorrhoids, also called piles, are swollen veins in your anus and lower rectum, similar to varicose veins. Hemorrhoids can develop inside the rectum, internal hemorrhoids, or under the skin around the anus, external hemorrhoids. Nearly 3 out of 4 adults will have hemorrhoids from time to time. Dosage and administration. Patients are advised not to defecate if possible for at least 4 hours after dose administration. Otherwise, the dose should be repeated after defecation. It is to be noted that constipation and diarrhea should be avoided during and after treatment, along with any harmful physical stress, in order to achieve and maintain best results. Now, how to use Neohealar for hemorrhoids. Adults dose of ointment. 1 application 3 times daily for at least 3 weeks. Neohealar ointment should be applied in sufficient quantities after washing the site. Adults dose of suppository. 1 suppository 3 times daily for at least 3 weeks. Now how to insert suppository and use of Neohealar ointment. Method of use. You can stand with one leg up on a chair, or lie on your side with one leg straight and the other bent in toward your stomach. Gently spread your buttocks open. Carefully push the suppository, tapered and first, about 1 inch into your bottom. Close your legs and sit or lie still for about 15 minutes to let it dissolve. Now, ointment insertion method. Gently insert your finger with the ointment into the anal canal. Do not push your finger past the first finger joint. Carefully apply the ointment around the inner sides of the anal canal. If you have too much pain in the anal canal, apply the ointment directly to the skin on the outside. Neohealar ointment may also be applied intrarectally by using the applicator enclosed within the pack as follows. Attach the applicator to the tube. Insert to full extent and squeeze the tube gently from the lower end while withdrawing. Now, side effects of Neohealar ointment and suppository. Neohealar is generally well tolerated. However, it may rarely cause minor transient anal itching, which should not warrant the discontinuation of treatment. Precautions and use in pregnancy. Safety of use during pregnancy has not been established. Neohealar should be used under close medical supervision in patients with severe concomitant disease and/or malignancy, and in patients with profuse unremitting bleeding.